Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class again, right? So it's me again, teacher Kongkea, right? So before we start our lesson for today, let's prepare your material that we are going to study for the first session and second session, right? Okay, so everyone, before we start our lesson for today, let's read the day with teacher first. So today is Thursday, August 26, 2021, right? So as you know already, every Thursday for session we study Grammar Planet 1, and for the second session we study our book is Hangout 1, right? Okay, so right now teacher want you to prepare your book for the first session first, that we are going to study our Grammar Planet 1, right? Okay, so for today, we will continue our unit 2, everyone, that we talk about a dish and two dishes on page 16. So please open your book with teacher all together. So here is our page for today, 16, that you can see in here, that we have two exercises. The first one is find, circle, and write. And the second one is talk about language station. It's been like review the lesson from unit 1 until unit 2, right? That they want you to complete the answer of the exercise. Okay, so before we start, teacher want you to review again about our lesson in unit 2, that we talk about singular and plural, right? Okay, so singular, as you know already, we use focus on only one thing, one person, one animal, right? We can say it one place. But if for plural, it's similar to or more, right? That it can be preferred to the place, the people, or the thing. But you need to remember that most noun we need to use with s. Most noun that ending in ch, sh, or s, or h, or z, we need to add es, right, at the end of the word. And one more thing, if the noun that ending in y, so we need to change y to iea. So now let me give you an example. Example is study. So study at the end of the word is letter y, right? So when you change it to plural, you need to erase y to ies, right? Okay, and one more thing is the noun ending in f or fe. So we need to change that one to ves. Example, leaf. You know leaf? Leaf is the leaf from the tree, right? Okay, so leaf, this one which need to change f, this one to ves, right? When we change it to plural. Okay, so now let's move on to our exercise. The first one, find, circle, and write. So you can look at your book, everyone. In here is the picture. So you need to look at the picture, and after that you need to find the word in here. Example number 1. The picture is focused on two boys, right? Okay, so we need to find the word in here, boy, B-O-Y-S, right? So number 1 is boy, right? B-O-Y-S. How about number 2, everyone? Got number 2 is egg, right? So E-G-G-S. And how about picture number 3? Got picture number 3 is doll, right? D-O-L-L-S. Because we change it to plural, right? Okay, and picture number 4. Picture number 4 is talk about this, right? That we have 4 these. So that one is plural, so we need to change that one to dishes, right? D-I-S-H-E-E-S. 5. So number 5 is book, right? That we have so many books, so we need to add s. And number 6 is the thing that you can put inside and you can cover it, right? So that one is box, right? So B-O-X. So when we have x, so we need to add es, right? Okay, so here is the first exercise that we find, circle, and write already. So now let's move on to language station, that you need to review from unit 1 until unit 2. So now let me read it for you. So they want you to look and write. So in England, we see what? Good. So we see a tower and what? And English bulldog, right? Okay, in Poland there are 2 boxes, right? Okay, there are 2 boxes for what? For bus. For bus. 3 watch, right? 3 watch. EES. And 6 door, right? Okay, so now let's look at number 2 and number 1. So number 2 and number 1 is refer to the lesson in unit 1, right? And from number 3 until number 5 is refer to unit 2 that we talk about plural, right? Okay, so now it's time for our first session. After finish this video, teacher want you to create your own sentence, 5 sentences that related with plural, right? So I hope that you can do it. When you finish, you need to send it to your teacher, right? Okay, so now it's time. See you again for second session. Goodbye, everyone.